and a warm welcome to another workshop about the Management Center 2.5.2. In that video we are concentrating on how to integrate a Patlite signal tower in the Management Center. For that we can create in the Softbutton settings. I have already predefined in Softbutton it's called Patlite signal tower flashing, and then when I'm pressing this button the signal tower should react. I have here a video which show what is that signal tower from Patlite. You see this is an Ethernet device which has LED lights, has a buzzer integrated and also has the capability to flash the lights. This device it's controlled via an RPE command, and this RPE command, how to configure that I will show you right now in the Management Center. As you have seen here, you can start to send a command to that Patlite signal tower, and in the component view of the Management Center, there you can define under the tab Soft Buttons, you can see first the predefined, what I have configured before, already that soft button in that the settings that I'm choosing the name, I have adding the command to define the color. So we have 5 signal LEDs that needs to be addressed, and then we have the buzzer with equal 1 means the buzzer should be announcing, and flash equal 1 means the light should be flashing. If you're selecting 0 means no flashing or no buzzer. I also have defined the IP address, username and password of that network device Patlite, and then I have choosing right icon for that, and that was all what I have to do. How to start with that? Normally you're choosing in the predefined commands here the predefined commands, you're choosing the category, maybe Patlite, choosing alarm and blinking, say plus, and get there, define the name, test Patlite new, and adding here the command. Let us do it quickly together. Color equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 signal lights. Add buzzer equal 0 in this case, and say flash equal 0 means no flashing. Entering the IP address of that Patlite, entering the name and the password, and then choosing an icon, and then you are done. So you see it's very simple, and especially for the Patlite we have, I think, 2 separate icons, a flash icon of the Patlite and a no flash light or no signaling icon for that. So you can choose the right one you want, and then you can use that very easily. Thank you very much for your time and enjoy the new Softbutton functionality.